Good day guys, welcome to my forever first learning video. Today I'll be doing some replacements on Hilux buggy Toyota VVTi. Customer complaint is that the car has a huge oil leaks. After diagnosis I find out the leak comes from the crankshaft, the front crankshaft. So I'll be doing some replacement of the brake pads and tie rod ends. They are on too. Yeah, and the dipstick oil ring. So let's get it done guys. Let me show you the vehicle. Yeah, this is the vehicle guys. You can see yourself, you can see these leaks here between the block and the pulley. This is the crank seal doing this mess. I'll also be replacing the brake pads. Yeah, the parts which are being bought, here's the crank seal of this vehicle. These are the tie rod ends and the Victorian silicone to be used. These are the brake pads. All thanks to Bosfeld Spares Parts for supplying me with these parts. These are my tools to be used guys. This is my toolbox. Never mind, it's too messy. I'll be packing it after when the job is done. And I also have this socket box corner, 6 corners. I'll be also using the jack. This wood guys will be my trestle. I don't have trestle guys. If any of you guys watching the video have like old tools to be sold, please contact me guys. These blocks here, I'll be using them as my chokes. So yeah guys, on this episode of today I'll only be replacing the brake pads. So let's get it done guys. Let me check up the vehicle for you. Yeah, so remember guys, whenever you're jigging up the vehicle, make sure that the vehicle is on the flat surface and then you block the vehicle. Since I don't have shocks guys, I'm using those bricks. I have to make a plan guys. here guys, after removing the wheel, make sure that you place the removed wheel under the vehicle for safety purpose too, extra safety. So you see my homemade trestle. I don't have trestle guys. Make a plan. If you have some spare trestle, spare tools in the garage, make sure that guys you hit my inbox so I can buy it at a lower price. So here guys, the wheel is out. We have to do some visual inspection on the brake disc. Just have to use your finger like this and rub up and down to feel some ridges. So at this case there are no ridges on this brake disc, so which means it's still on good conditions. We'll be using a 12mm socket to unscrew these two bolts. See these two bolts, but I prefer to unlock one so that I can open the caliper to remove the brake pads. So yeah, let's get it done guys. So guys, I'll be using this flat screwdriver and placing it in between the one brake pad and the caliper piston to compress the piston to go backwards. Let me show you where to insert this screwdriver. Insert it in between and try to press back. Yeah. You see now I've compressed the piston caliper back so that it can give me allowance to open the caliper so that I can remove the brake pads. So I'll be using this 12mm socket to remove the bolt which I've shown you guys. Bolt removed, then open your caliper. Yes, on the other side. Sure. Yeah guys, so you see the old brake pad removed and this is the new one. Look the difference between the thickness of these brake pads. Look, this one, it's too thin. This one, not too thin. These ones are finished guys, so let's fit these ones. So here guys, all you have to do after removing the caliper, you have to clean the caliper bracket. You can use brush to remove the contaminants and dust. So here guys, now it's time to plug and play the brake pads. This is simple. You just have to insert them where you, just like when you have removed your old ones. You see, simple like that. Yeah, you see guys, simple. After then you refit your caliper. fasten the bolt where you've removed them again. Simple like that. Then tighten it. Simple, guys. You see, the brake pads are replaced. Then it's about time we fit back the wheel. And before, guys, after you have done replacing your brake pads, you have to pump the brake so that the piston can be in contact with the brake pads. So let's replace the wheel again. Yeah, guys, so since we've removed the jack, then it's about time we torque again the wheel nuts. So yeah, guys, as simple as like that. Brake pads are replaced. Remember to pump the brake before you can roll the vehicle. Pump the brake pedal several times so that the caliper can be in contact with the brake pads. So yeah, guys, the very same procedures which we have did on the other wheel, we have done it on this wheel. So you have to make sure that before you test drive the vehicle, you pump the brake so that the caliper, this is the brake pedal, guys, this one, you pump the brake for multiple times so that you see it's down, so that the brake caliper piston can be in contact with the brake pads. You see the level at which the brake pad is. You pump it several times until the brake pad, you can feel it on your leg that it's full. So yeah guys, brake pad replacement done. That's it for me for today. So the next day will be like replacing the crank seal and the turret ends. So for this video we're done for today guys. Thank you.